Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Varonis, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Varonis website. Locate the Contact Us section on the home page. Click on the link to access the contact information. Identify the appropriate department for your inquiry. The options typically include sales, support, and general inquiries. Select the sales department if you're interested in purchasing or a demo. Choose support if you currently have an account and need assistance. Fill out the provided contact form with your details. Include your name, email address, and phone number. Provide a brief description of your inquiry or issue. If you prefer to speak directly, look for a phone number listed. Dial the number associated with the department you selected. Prepare any relevant information before the call to expedite your inquiry. You may also connect via social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Search for Varonis on your chosen social media platform. Follow or send a direct message to engage with their team. For more personalized assistance, consider signing up for a webinar or event. Check the events section on the Varonis website for upcoming opportunities. Participation in these events can provide valuable insights and contacts. Lastly, ensure to check your email regularly for responses. Maintain clear communication to facilitate the connection process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.